Hello class 5th student, it's a part 3 from chapter 2 of moral science. Here we are reading the story of Jessica. Let's continue. Now Jessica used to watch with envy as other kids swung about on the monkey bars in junior school while she was limited to the swings. Means Jessica used to watch with envy. Means Jessica usually watch those students who are enjoying themselves on the swings, who are enjoying themselves in the swings like a monkey. Here you can see they are swings in a monkey bars, and she is Jessica and she feeling jealous. Envy means feeling of jealousy. She feeling jealous. Frustrated, she would envision herself flying over the playground like Superwoman while everyone was in disbelief. Means frustrated. He was get irritated and she would envision, means she dream this, she think about it that she one day she flying over this playground like a superwoman, which everyone was in disbelief, while means rest of the persons and everyone think that it could not be possible. years later years Later, I realized that my imagination had become a reality. Means after so many years, she realized that her imagination become a reality. Means she was able to fly plane. It is said by Jessica. Flying in commercial planes was her greatest fear since childhood. Means since the childhood, flying a commercial plane, it was his greatest fear. She was so bothered, she was so feeling so fear regard this that she couldn't flying. She having a fear in his heart that how she flying, but she know that one day she become a pilot. However, that changed when a member of Right Flight Group approached her after a Rotary Club talk she gave in 2005. Means, however, that changed when means his fear, he come out from his fear by when a member of Right Flight Group, it's a group of a flight, Right Flight Group approached her for a Rotary Club talk. She's using to give a talk or the motivational speech for students, for the clubs, for the social places. So she gave a motivational and inspiration thoughts. So she also gave a talk to that club also. She gave in 2005 this thing. The group uses aviation as motivation, and this group uses aviation means development. We can say the development, especially it is considered in a field of aircraft. Okay, so development in the field of aircraft, this motivation, this aviation is used in the as a motivation. They asked if she would like to fly an airplane. Means they asked who, the club members asked to Jessica if she would like to fly an airplane, being the achiever and optimist that she is, Jessica decided to give it a try. Means as we know this that she is optimist means she know that something is better for her future. So he tried this. Okay, so he decided to try. She learned to fly a radarless light. She learned to fly radarless light Arcop. Arcop craft is one of the few airplanes to be made and certified without paddles. Means these are such type of planes who don't have the paddles. Okay, who don't have the paddles without. Now Arcop aircraft is one of a few airplanes to be made and certified without paddles. They don't have paddles. Without Rudder paddles. The rudder paddles means the paddles, we know this thing that they are base of our feet. They are base of our feet while we are in the swimming or on the ice. We use these paddles, no? Or running on the ice. Okay, either we are in the air, in the water, or the ice. But this rudder paddles is especially used in the aircraft. Okay, Jessica was free to use her feet as hands. She took 3 instead of the usual 6 months to complete her lightweight aircraft license. Had 3 flying instructor and practiced 89 hours of flying. Means as the most of the person who teaches this in the usually 6 months this training of the flying aircraft, but Jessica taken 3 years for the same work. And she practiced 89 hours of flying. Practiced for 89 hours of flying. Okay, so what they done? She using the 89 hours of flying. Means she worked very hard. Rest of the persons, as they teach the same thing in the 6 months, she usually give the 3 years. Usually give the 3 years flying instructor and practiced 89 hours of flying. So she done the work hard for teaching this. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.